Welcome to another recipe edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love. Mwah.
Mwah.
You look beautiful tonight, honey.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. You're so sweet.
Roll 'em. What are you making?
Yeah, you always
Oh,
ask
sorry.
me.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
So we are making a vegan banana chia pudding. It's one of our very favorite desserts, and it's so easy. This is super, super simple. So essentially what you need is some sort of a plant-based milk. If you purchase it, that's fine. I didn't have any, so I made some. I made a cashew milk because that's what we had. We had raw cashews, so I took about 3/4 of a cup of raw cashews, and I put them actually right in here with a teaspoon of vanilla and 2 cups of water. And that soaked for, I think, 2 days. And I've already blended it, but I'm just gonna blend it one more time. And I have a cup or a little over a cup in here. So this is how easy this is. It's basically 3 ingredients, and then you can add your fun stuff. So I've got my plant-based milk. I'm going to use 2 to 3 bananas. I've already put in 2. I've got a 3rd one here. And you can see our bananas are pretty ripe. I'm cutting out 2 pieces for later, for decoration.
Decoration. Oh.
Because it's always fun when your food looks pretty, right?
I guess so.
Yeah. Okay. And I'm going to take a 1/3 of a cup of chia seeds and pour that right in there. This is so simple.
That's a lot of chia seeds.
That's a lot of chia seeds. And about a cup of the plant-based milk.
Okay.
And that's probably close to what I have. So we'll go to that fill line
I love
there.
those chia seeds when they swell up.
Oh
I call them frog's eggs.
They're so delicious. And I've got these things out here because this is what I used to make the plant-based milk. I used organic raw cashews, and then I used organic vanilla and water. And that was it to make plant-based milk. So if you don't have it, super simple. And it can be any kind of nut that you have. All right, so I'm gonna blend this.
So when you say you can use any kind of nuts to make milk, I mean, I know
Mm-hmm.
there's almond milk and cashew milk and coconut.
Macadamia milk. You can use hemp seeds. You can use oats. There's a lot of options for plant-based milks. So this is so easy and so delicious. So I have lots of these jars, and I love to store my food in glass rather than plastic. So I'm just gonna fill this up like so.
That was perfect. It's almost like you planned it.
Yeah, it's almost like I planned it. And then I'd sprinkle a little bit of the chocolate and put the bananas on, but what I really want to do is allow this to set in the refrigerator before I put the decorations on. So I have already made one that I'll show you. So you can actually see the color difference too once it sets.
Oh wow, yeah.
So this one I made.
The chia seeds swell up, right? So it makes it a little darker.
Exactly. And the banana also, banana starts to brown a little bit, which is just the natural, nature of the fruit. So this one has just a dusting of organic cacao on top, which is right here. I always have some in the house. And then 2 slices of banana. You can put anything you want. You can put coconut shavings on top. You could put chocolate chips. You could put raisins. You know what? This is just a fun time to be creative with whatever you have in your house. And it's super delicious. This is going to be Jeffrey's dessert tonight.
I don't know if I can eat all that.
No, well, I'm hoping that you're going to share it with me.
Yes.
And that's it.
Great stuff,
Yeah.
honey. Yeah.
Wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love from the kitchen at Copper Mountain.
Great. Thank you. Thanks for watching.